Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my hot and sour cabbage. It is quick, simple and inexpensive. It can be served as a side or it can be served alone. Most importantly, it is so delicious and so easy to make. So guys, come on, let's go. I have my cabbage here, and this cabbage is a Napa cabbage. Cut the bottom off. I'm just going to go ahead and slice it up into strips. Going to go ahead and put it in my bowl. So I've cut up my cabbage into strips. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and water. So this has been sitting here for about 10 minutes, 9-10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and drain the water out. So I've drained all my water out. I'm going to go ahead and show you what else we need to finish up my hot and sour cabbage. You'll need vinegar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic, a little salt, parsley, green onion, chili powder, hot oil, and sugar sauce. So the sugar sauce I just made on my own. If you'd like me to show you how I made that, please go ahead and let me know. It's very easy. I just went ahead in a saucepan, put some brown sugar and a little bit of butter, and I just let it just reduce. Homemade sugar sauce. I have some oil, just some normal vegetable oil, and a few dashes of sesame oil. Okay, it's still hot. I have it still on the burner on low because I want it to be hot when I put it in my cabbage. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, garlic, about 2 cloves of garlic, I have some ginger paste. I'm going to use a little ginger paste, about half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Or if you have grated ginger, that's fine. Going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm going to go ahead and cut up my onion and my parsley. I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of my sugar sauce. I'm going to slice up some dried chili. I'm going to put my dried chili in here. And I have my hot oil, which was still on the burner. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons oil, and I'm just going to toss that together. So I'm going to give it another toss, and I'm going to transfer it into my serving dish. I'm just going to top with some sesame seeds. And that's it, guys. My hot and sour cabbage. Now for the taste test. It's fresh, it's crunchy. The garlic, the chili, the ginger, it is just so fragrant. I hope you enjoyed me showing you how I make my hot and sour cabbage. This is your first time here. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to bring you more videos like this. It's been an honor for me to show you how I make my hot and sour cabbage at home. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section, guys. I would love to hear from you. Until the next video, bye guys.